All right, we are here at the Secrets Baby Beach Aruba. Is the Castawagoes. We are here in the junior suite. And yes, you got your emergency plan. First thing you should check out, make sure you're safe and sound. You have the locks on the door, your little peephole if you so like, if you want to close that up or not. And knowing that it is hot, here's your temperature gauge. Just click on the little seashell, which is kind of neat. It's degrees in Celsius. But, don't know anything about that, but that's all good. There you have your light switches, and it is a little dim. Thank goodness it's a little light out. Very sunny out. Don't mind my clothes hanging there, but a little coat rack to put your little knickknacks in there. And we have a closet. Again, don't mind my clothes. Not a lot of hangers, not a lot of closet space. Do have a pillow up top if you need it. Very big closet though. As you can see, comes with an umbrella. Hopefully we don't need that. But very big closet, and lights, if you notice, the light comes on inside the closet as you open it up. That's a nice little touch to go with that. And yes, next to your closet, you have another blanket up top. Again, light fixture comes on. You have your safe as well. You have a steamer. Keep in mind, they do not have irons or ironing boards. So what you will have to deal with is a steamer, but it does work well. Just fill it up with the water right there. Plug it in and get to pressing your stuff out. And you got multiple shelves though that you can use. You do get a pair of slippers, as you can see. Nice pair of slippers. We haven't tried them on, but it has a Secrets Baby Beach. And like I said, multiple shelves that you can use. Not too many dresser drawers here, but that's okay. Definitely you'll be able to have a lot of things you can store. You have a nice big mirror here. The way they had it set up. And in fact, I'll go back to that mirror in a little bit just to show you a little something, which is surprising. So here you have one desk by the bed. We got our stuff here, so we just got in a little bit ago. You have your light switches, your phone if you want to contact the front desk. You have another light switch where you can turn it off, turn it on. You have another plug or a USB, I believe, or don't get me messing up with the right things. You have a little reading light here, a couple plugs, ports there. Have a nice little lit light behind your bed as well. And I'll let you get a good shot of this king size bed. Man, it is very comfortable. We always say we love our own beds at home, but this one is really nice. And here on the other side, you have actually a nice Bluetooth speaker clock radio. You see the little plugs down there as well. And it does play well. Keep in mind, it's not extremely loud, but if you do turn your phone up on the volume, then the speaker here will go a little bit louder. Now, if you notice here, you have the switch for the ceiling fan, a couple more light switches. Again, on the other side, you had the little reader light plugs. We already are using those. And another light with a port there as well. You have your dressers here, a little side table, I should say. Decent size. And yeah, so I'm sorry, it comes with a robe, 2 robes. So if you want to throw your robe on and chillax, you're good. Now here we have, obviously, we still have our luggage sitting out, which is nice because we don't have to sit it on the ground. And then you still have space underneath as well. If you want to put things, I should say, down here. You do have your, Little table here, basically, a countertop, I should say, with your super large TV. I don't know what type of size that is, but man, put it this way, it's big enough. It's big enough. And here you have your coffee set up. Yeah, we haven't tried that out yet. You got your Nespresso machine here. You know, so if you're like me, you're gonna want that coffee in the morning. You have your ice bucket, a couple glasses, and then underneath, for all y'all who are cruisers, we're used to this, little fridge. But what is nice is it is stocked. We done partook of some of it. You got your waters, you have your pops, you have some local beers, and they will refill as much as you like. And when you like, it's even a little, you can see that, a little ice tray, so to speak. You want to throw something in there and get it really, really cold. Yeah, but that's all included. We won't say free, it's included. And next to that, again, some more shelves. Put whatever, maybe shoes or small luggage. And then you have a table for two. So yes, this room or this resort, they will do room service. So for instance, if you want breakfast, they will bring you breakfast up to your room. However, keep in mind, small detail, that the breakfast you get is coming from basically the buffet. So if that's all right with you, then they don't mind providing that for you. And swing around here for a moment. You have another little coffee table right here on the side. And this nice little, I guess you say it's a little chaise lounge, they call it. Now, again, this is a room for two adults, because it is adults only. So don't think there's Miss LJ. Hey. If you have someone, I don't know if you can do 3 in a room. But hey, if you did, if they can fit on the chaise lounge, then you're good to go. You can throw down a little a blanket and give them a pillow. Now, let me go back before we go outside, however. Let me go back, because I know you're thinking, well, you got to have a bathroom somewhere. So when you walk back to the front of the room and you see this huge mirror, well, what you do is, because it's a nice little wall here, you take this, and I'll do it slow-mo so you can see it. You slide the door all the way back, and it exposes the bathroom. That's kind of cool. So you have your sinks, bowl sinks. Yeah, we got a few of our things sitting out here. They do provide you with their lotions here, which is nice. They give you put that back. They give you the shower cap, obviously, if you need it, ladies. Guys, if you want a vanity kit as well. They also give you toothbrush and small little toothpaste, So if you're like me, you like to brush, you may run out of that pretty quickly. So bring your own just in case, so you don't run out of toothpaste too soon. Now, even though, and yes, here you have your mirror, or side mirror. You got plugs in here as well. You got your little napkins and tissues. You do get a hair dryer, ladies. You get your towels and everything that are down here. You even have a mat, which is a nice touch. If you want to put that in the shower or just place it, if you can see, it's a little mat, rubber mat. So in case, you don't want to slip and slide, You can lay that down just for safety situations. And for those who may not like, well, there is a scale. So after you finish the buffet, you can jump on the scale and see just what you did. Now, through the frosted glass, you have your water closet. Yes, throne, toilet, whatever you want to call it. But nice and sealed off so nobody can take a peek at you. Now, inside, oh, yes, the shower. You do have your shampoos, hair conditioner, body wash, which is nice. Don't know if you have a preference. But as well, here is your shower wand, which the water pressure to me is excellent, excellent. But what I really like, right there, rainfall shower. Now, I'm not gonna get myself soaked, but I'm just gonna show y'all really quickly. You just push this button down here and you turn it, turn this button, and there goes your rain shower. And you just adjust it with this button here, either cold or hot, and press in, and it stops it. And down the tube it goes. I got on sandals, so don't worry, y'all, just in case you think I got wet. However, but that is such a nice shower. They did an excellent job with that. So, another detail to let you know. So when you want to, you slide this door back again. Slide the door back. Now it cuts off the bathroom area. However, if you're feeling a little froggy and you just want to get some sun while you're taking your shower and you just want to, so there's another wall here, but it's not a wall. You can open this door and voila. You're exposing the shower in the bathroom right there. You catch all the sun rays and views you want. However, you'll be exposed as well unless you hide somewhere in the corner. But a nice little touch. And I'd say for couples, that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. So, last but not least, let's take you outside. And it's going to be a little bit sunny, so hopefully it doesn't distort too much. Now keep in mind, opening the door on the balcony, it shuts off your AC. So if you go out, make sure you close it, keep the room cool, okay? So here, I'm going to step out. And right away, you have your 2 chairs, table. Sit out here, get your drinks on, get your eat on. Nice size. If you can tell, I'm standing back in the far corner, and this is a nice size balcony. In fact, you could possibly seat 4 out here comfortably with no problem. But when you come out here and you see that view, this is the view you are going to see every day you're here. It is amazing. And as you can see out here, just over to the side there, right there, swim up bar right there. And you have that pool plus the back part all the way back. You see back there's a pool, but then back behind there is the beach area, baby beach to be specific. So yes, and in fact, I see a little basketball hoop they didn't set up down there. But man, when I say this is amazing, just the view in itself is amazing. So yeah, this is a room tour. Hopefully you all enjoy this room tour.